Hello, my name is Anthony and this is my short video couchsurfing introduction request attachment YouTube thing. I am visiting Singapore for the first time, and actually I'm going to Asia for the first time, and I'm incredibly excited and looking forward to this trip because I'm considering moving to Singapore actually in 2 years after I finish my study here in Belgium. I originally come from Greece, from Creta, and since I use couchsurfing for many years, it would be really nice to stay with some couch surfers, meet some friends, get to know how locals perceive life in Singapore. I will look for places to play the piano because I like it very much. I will look for technology meetups or probably meet with startups. I'm very curious and very excited about technology, studying biochemical engineering myself. And so if you have any places or events to recommend regarding technology, nature as well, and music that are in Singapore or near Singapore that I should and have to visit as a traveler, not as a tourist, please feel welcome to let me know as much as any other information that you feel might be interesting or helpful. Of course, I like sharing my own experiences with guests and travels and cooking or just chilling and having fun. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching this short video and I hope to see you in person in Singapore in September. Have a nice day.